So we got a 2006 Hummer H3 today. Customer complaining about the speakers not working. He plugged the new speaker. Remember, the positive is the darker color, which is yeah, any Chevy and that year is the positive is the darker color and the lighter color is negative. He plugged it in, everything. We took it out and checked it, and there's no sound. So coming to the front and see maybe if there could be a couple things that happened to this. Now it could be the wire right here is loose in the back of there. The color from the back of this radio should be a green wire, green and green black. Now, if that wire is not hooked up, that means that's probably the reason. The second thing is see if this car's got a built-in amplifier. We don't know yet. We'll check it out. So anyway, someone is using the wrong dash kit on this one. So they put it in here. So you have to pry this thing out. We're going to pry that out and put a new mounting kit. The new mounting kit should be a 953304. Now I got this out. Now let's see. We're gonna have to look at the wire because they mounted wrong, so they probably have to force it in somehow. Now we're looking at green wire. That's a parking brake. We need a okay, let's pull this radio out a little bit slowly. We want to check this. Now that definitely hook it up. Not right here. That's definitely wrong right here. We'll have to take this out and look at it. And the light green one is parking brake, so that should go to, this is weird. Oh, they did use the right dash kit right here. So I'm gonna check out and see if something came loose. Reverse not hooked up, so that's good. Now that left rear is a green wire, so I'm gonna follow this green wire right here, see if it's loose. Have my partner take a look at this. Can you peel this off right here? I want to see if it's pulled, anything like that. When you tape them, you shouldn't tape them like that. Okay, let's do another one. Now, next thing we're going to check is we're going to take the speakers and test that and see if that channel's got an output. Oh, why is this 2 right here? Hold on. That's weird. Go ahead. That's weird. I think I know what's going on. So he's got it hooked. See that? That green wire. Yep. That's hooked up wrong. So basically, give me some light. So he got this green and green black to this one right there, and this green purple, that's for the steering wheel control right there. That's not supposed to hook up to that positive. So what we're gonna do right here, we're gonna put the green to the green and green black to the green black. That's the only thing wrong with it. So hopefully he didn't burn up the channel yet. So we're gonna check that out and see if the channel is still good. So now this is the last one we're gonna plug in. So we got the positive to the positive, negative to the negative. The one with the stripe is negative. And actually, hold on for a second. Oh, is that negative? Yeah. Whoa, that's wrong.
That's negative.
No, it ain't. Where's the black at?
I mean, they right on it. See?
I know it did say what. Oh, here it is. Yeah, that's good. So now we're gonna plug it back. We're gonna play it and see what happened. Plugging in right now. Now let's see. We're gonna turn the key on. And let's see if the speaker's gonna play. And we gotta fix this for the mounting kit part.
Let me go over and listen to it.
I think I hear it. Is it working? It worked? Yep. So yep. Found the problems. So now we're gonna try to, since all of these like this, I'm gonna tape this up because you don't want any of this wire to touch anything. So So now I got this radio out here. This is how they installed it before, and you should not install it like this. But I'm gonna take this metal out. I mean, the radio usually come like that, so customer usually think, oh yeah, that's the right piece. Not really. For the Hummer, you're gonna need a certain mounting kit. It's called a mounting kit. It is 953304 right there. Now the 99, it means it's a single den. 95 is a double den. So if you looking at any general Metro mounting kit product, I put the right side on the right side, left side on the left side, and put that in like that. And then now I'm gonna have to use two hands. Oops, did it stop recording? Well, push it in like that. I didn't record it earlier. And push it all the way down. Once you get all the way down, you're gonna need to find a screw that come with the brand new radio. Should have the screw. You put 2 screws right here and 2 screws on the other side. Now that's what it's supposed to look like after it's all in. Yep.